According to research, the detoxification process removes harmful byproducts of cellular metabolism and general bodily functions, as well as environmental pollutants that have entered the human body. If these toxins are not eliminated from the body, a variety of health problems can occur. All internal organs that make up the digestive and excretory system, such as the stomach, liver, kidneys, and heart, need to be cleaned regularly. In this video, we will discuss 4 natural drinks that you should drink regularly to cleanse your body and get rid of toxins. These include 1. Lemonade. Lemon is a fruit similar to an orange that has many health benefits, including detoxifying and promoting overall health. Many people don't realize how effective lemon juice is as a diuretic. The antioxidants it contains, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, help boost your immune system and keep your gums, bones, skin, and teeth in good condition. Lemon can be drunk in a liter of water to flush out toxins from the body. 2. Cucumber juice. Cucumber has more to offer than we think. The fruit has a high concentration of antioxidants and antibacterial properties, making it ideal for people with a variety of health issues. This detox drink should help you lose weight and maintain the water and mineral balance in your body. Wash and peel 2 cucumbers and cut them into thin slices. 3. Drink made from aloe vera and other natural ingredients. Many people today don't know how healthy aloe vera is. It is a good idea to consume it regularly as it is high in antioxidants and calcium. This makes it effective in regulating hunger and weight loss. 4. Water. Drinking lots of water flushes out toxins from your body. Did you learn anything new today? What do you think about this video? Thank you for sharing in the comments section.